Hey there are lots of sayings on this topic, and my belief is that if you practice something many times, one, you'll get it right eventually, second, you'll become good at it. So, I'm gonna show you once again how to take care of your nails from the beginning till the end. First, you need to remove the previous nail polish from your nails. For this, you use a cotton pad and some nail polish remover. When you are done removing the previous nail polish from your nails, you go to the next step, which is cleaning your cuticles from the sides of the nail. And for this, you use a nail file. Speaking about nail files, you continue to set a shape for your nails, either round, either square. Don't forget about the leftovers under your nail. As you are done with the nail file, you continue taking care of your cuticles. For this, you just push the cuticles, and after you push them, you clean the surface of the nail. Especially here in the corner of the nail. As you are done pushing the cuticles and cleaning the surface of the nail, it's time for you to cut the cuticles with the scissors. But before you do this, you just put your hands in a bowl of warm water and leave it for a few minutes so the cuticles will be softened and easier to be removed. Last part, which I love the most, is applying the nail polish. But before you apply the nail polish, I recommend you to use some strengthener for the nails. So this way you'll have strong and healthy nails. After applying the nail strengthener, you apply the nail polish. I'll go with some pink with glitter today. I usually apply 2 layers of nail polish. I find this applying the nail polish on the nail very relaxing and satisfying. I see the results and I like what I see. And now, one last detail that will make the difference is taking care of your cuticles and prevent them from growing. And for this, I recommend you to use some oil for the cuticles. They will be hydrated and will look much better. You just apply it around your nail, directly on the cuticles. It's better for you to know how to take care of your nails and not need it than need it and not know it, right? So I'm here for you to share from my experience how to take care of your nails on Joe's Nails Do-It-Yourself channel. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and spread the word. Bye!